khona umuntu wesifazane violator or kuyashayana lapho, I don't know what's going on. So
ukukuthanda kwami ngathi kuzongolele ekufeni. Hey, angisazi noma konakala kodwa ngweleweni. Bathandi bomkhosi, I so hope I am singing the song as it is. Hi YouTube family, welcome to all Trending Mzansi. Bathandi bomkhosi, this is none other than Uphosha Xaba, the new girlfriend of Ulebu Hadebe, Mbali Skosana's ex-husband. Well, Baby Girl has been stating, bathandi bomkhosi, that yena she fell in love with a single man and she has no doings in the breakup of Umbali and her ex-husband. I guess Sana Bathandi because of course Usisi Mbali came forward with that video that she made explaining the whole situation because indeed Uphosha was never in the picture when her and her ex-husband were having issues. Ooh, Sana Bathandi because Mzansi is trying to warn Uphosha ukuthi wesisi with the whole scatter of Endaba that is currently trending, leave that man of yours because he is a big red walking billboard. Eyabonwa uMosa Khawula. But because people are stating that there is no need for her to stay there. She's young, she's beautiful. Why is she still with someone that is being accused of abuse? And also evidence is also circulating on the internet. Why is she still there? God the Tina, but because we do not understand the matters of her heart when it comes to that man. But because please watch the following video.
Dumelang sanibonani. Khutla hape ka video ngibuyile futhi. Guys, apparently there's a video circulating mo honaleng khona umuntu wesifazane violator or kuyashayana lapho, I don't know what's going on. So I want to clear something. That is not me. Akusuka kushapa moto angaze ngashaya umuntu, angilwe nje nokulwa, angaze ngalwa nomuntu. So bengifuna ukuthi ni understand ukuthi that's not me, that's not my voice there. Whatever ufuna ukucikela igama lami phansi, uyazama shem, uyazama ukulwa ngokucikela igama lami phansi. I've never hit anyone. You can even match the voice. That's not my voice there. Angingeni indaba yamashayana, angaze ngishayana nomuntu. So please.
Hi, Bathandi bomkhosi. Love is indeed blind because what? Kodwa we were taught that judging must not come from us. Tina, we listen, we watch, but we do not judge. At this point, it doesn't look like Uphosha is willing to leave her man. Is it because of the luxury he is giving her? Or vele, the love is definitely in the air. But woo, Sana, currently that man of hers is indeed a walking red billboard. But as Chachi, if she is happy, I sham, we wish her all the best in this world. That's it from today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.